Let's dive into a head-to-head comparison of two popular payroll software options, Wave and Patriot Accounting. These two tools each have their strengths, but are they the best choice for your payroll needs? Stick around because by the end, I'll be sharing a powerful alternative that might just be the best option for your business. First, let's talk about Wave. Wave is known for its free accounting software that also includes basic payroll features. It's an appealing option for small businesses, especially those on a tight budget. The pricing for payroll with Wave is competitive, but it can become quite costly as your business grows. On top of that, the payroll features themselves aren't as robust as other platforms, especially when you start dealing with multiple employees or more complex payroll tasks. One downside is that Wave's payroll integration with accounting features isn't as seamless as some of its competitors, which can lead to extra work for your team. Next thing, let's move on to Patriot Accounting. Patriot stands out by offering two pricing tiers, basic and full service. The basic option is budget-friendly and covers essential payroll tasks, like automatic tax calculations and direct deposit. The full-service plan includes more hands-on support with payroll specialists available to handle all your payroll needs. However, unlike Wave, Patriot isn't free, and while it's more affordable than many competitors, the pricing still might be too high for very small businesses or freelancers. Another thing to note is that Patriot's reporting tools aren't as advanced or user-friendly as you'd expect for the price point. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. Wave makes it very simple to set up payroll and run your first pay cycle, especially for solopreneurs or micro businesses. That said, as your team grows, you may find that its functionality gets cumbersome. Patriot Accounting, on the other hand, offers a more streamlined experience for businesses of various sizes, but it still takes a bit of time to get used to, particularly if you opt for the full service plan with more detailed features. The fourth thing, customer support ***. When it comes to customer support, Wave offers limited options. Most support is through email or forums, which can be frustrating if you're dealing with an urgent payroll issue. Patriot Accounting does a better job here with its full-service option, giving users access to phone support and dedicated payroll specialists. This can make a significant difference if you want hands-on assistance, especially when dealing with more complex payroll tasks. Finally, the overall cost-effectiveness. If you're looking for a free solution that still covers the basics, Wave is a great option, but just know it can become more expensive as you scale. On the other hand, Patriot Accounting's basic plan is relatively affordable but lacks some of the advanced features businesses might need. Its full-service plan is pricier, but you get dedicated support. The choice ultimately depends on your business size and payroll needs, and you'll need to decide if the price tag is worth it for the features you get. Now, after trying both Wave and Patriot Accounting for payroll myself, I can tell you that both are solid options, but they each come with their own limitations. If you want a more comprehensive, hassle-free payroll experience with features that go beyond what these two can offer, you should check out the free trial linked in the description below. This alternative might be exactly what you're looking for if you're serious about making payroll easier without sacrificing quality or breaking the bank. Plus, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, while Wave and Patriot Accounting are good choices, there's a better solution waiting for you. Take advantage of the free trial and see for yourself why this alternative could be the better choice for payroll.